Rich-minded skills in the building. From small accounts to big dreams, every chart tells a story. Let me tell you mine. Listen close.
Style and method calculation, deliver every syllable pronounced. Beat art hitting 808s, crisp, high aspiration mix. Patience in my mind, yeah, the entry must align. I'm waiting for the break, then I take what is mine. No rushing, no guessing, I trust what I see. One perfect setup worth more than 20 to me. Small accounts to big wins, that's the journey I take. Robot running systems while I'm wide awake. Gold charts moving crazy, volatility's high, but I stick to my plan, watch my profits touch the sky. Risk calculated, never betting on hope. Technical precision, that's how winners cope. Support to resistance, I know where to enter. Discipline's my weapon, confidence at the center. Emotional build up, when I debate bumpy steel drums build anticipation. Losses didn't stop me, they taught me how to grow. Every setback made me sharper, now I know. Now I'm flipping tiny numbers till the balance starts to glow. From hundreds to thousands, watch my fortune flow. Stadium trap, power, maximum clarity. Homage explosive, triumphant fist pumping. Flip that account, yeah, we rising every day. Small to big profits, let the robot lead the way. Trust in the process, consistency is key. Flip that account, wealth is coming, you'll see. From the bottom to the top, that's the story that we tell. Risk management tight, yeah, we trading so well. Every loss is a lesson, every win is a sign. Flip that account, the victory is mine. Technical flow, sniper precision, delivery sharp, focused, expert confidence. Minimalist trap, emphasis on vocals. Gold on the chart, moving crazy like a storm, but I follow strategy. I don't break from the norm. Sniper on the reader, entry so clean. This is rich-minded skills, trading like a machine. Pattern recognition, reading every candle. Market manipulation, yeah, I know how to handle. Breakouts and retests, I wait for confirmation. No FOMO in my blood, just calculated patience. Automation running while I'm living my life. Robot placing orders, treading through the strife. But I built the system with my blood and my sweat. Years of dedication, I paid every debt. Now the charts obey when I step to the screen. Flipping small accounts to profits obscene. Small accounts to profits obscene. A small recount zone. This preacher like intensity, building to explosion. Keep your mind strong, don't rush in the fight. The markets pay best when your timing is right. Hold to your rules, don't let fear shout. This is the moment we flip that account. Every champion started with doubt in their mind. Every legend was tested by losses in kind, but they kept pushing forward through the pain and the doubt. Now watch me transform. Flip that account. Wisdom rap, clear teaching flow. Delivery of authoritative yet accessible. For production, more deduction, no energy. Small account challenge, that's where legends are born. 500 to 50,000 by the early morn. Compound interest working, profits reinvest. 2% risk maximum, that's the test. Yeah. Weekly withdrawals when the balance gets thick. Treat it like a business, not a gambling trick. Psychology matters more than indicators do. Control your emotions, let the system pull through. Robots just a tool, but the mind is the king. Master your mentality, here it just rings. From demo to live, from losses to wins. This is where your journey to freedom begins. It's forward culture. Steady up, sharp, maxing Lloyd max. Energy exposed, keep triumphant for explosion. Flip that account, let the profits overflow. Every loss was a lesson, now I'm ready to grow. Trust in your system, keep your mindset free. Flip that account, the champion is me. From the struggle to success, from the doubt to belief. From the red to the green, from the pain to relief. I'm rising, I'm grinding, I'm built to withstand. Flip that account, the world in my hands, son. The world in my hands, son. Triumphant spoken word over trap beat. Victory speech, confident, inspiring. 808 rumble, Romy's flame fade. This is rich-minded skills. I flip my account, now I'm showing you the way. Small numbers to big dreams, that's the trader's journey. Patience beats panic, strategy beats emotion. Discipline beats luck, every single time. up.